Hey there, my name's David. On this episode of Unusual Foods, I'll be doing a taste test of the Fhia 18 banana. So the Fhia 18 banana is this guy here. See this little banana that was sent over to me by Miami Fruits. So you can see that it has like really strong ridges on it. It's a small banana, obviously. It kind of looks like a baby banana, but baby bananas don't have these like nice strong ridges. They're more of like a very kind of unique tropical banana. On the inside, I have one here that's peeled. You can see it looks just like a baby banana. Nothing really that special or different, aside from it does have seeds. It does have little seeds, which you probably won't be able to tell or see, but there are little seeds in there. So let's do a taste test of this. So it tastes like very tropical. You get the banana taste obviously, but right away you get like a hit of pineapple and a kind of a bit of a taste of pear. Yeah, a very good clean banana with a nice pineapple-y taste. I really like bananas that have that pineapple taste because it's just really nice. Really nice fresh taste to it. I'll take one more bite here just to verify and try a different banana. That was just one banana. The texture is very, very chewy. It's more like starchy and chewy than a normal Cavendish grocery store banana, which I really like. It's very much like the Thai banana. It has a very nice chewy texture to it. It's just more satisfying as you're kind of biting into it with that nice pineapple-y, pearish kind of taste. So yeah, this is a big thumbs up. I love this one. This is a great banana, the Fhia 18. So if you like this episode, you learned a little bit about the Fhia 18, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until the next one, have a good one.